Introducing the 2-pack automatic cat feeder and water dispenser with stainless steel dog bowl gravity self-feeding for small medium pets puppy kitten. This set includes one food feeder and one water dispenser, making it convenient for pet owners to ensure their furry friends are well fed and hydrated. With a large capacity of 3.54*11.8*13 inch, this automatic cat feeder can hold approximately 6 pounds of food and 1 gallon of water. This means it can provide enough sustenance for small to medium-sized pets for about 7 to 9 days, and for larger pets for 3 to 5 days. We have upgraded the materials of our pet feeder to ensure safety and durability. The pet water dispenser is made of safe and natural materials. The bottom of the feeder has a movable stainless steel bowl, which not only keeps the food fresher but also makes it easier to clean. It is designed to be durable, not easily deformed, and rust-resistant. The gravity feeder feature of this combo set allows for a steady refill of water or food. By utilizing the power of gravity, the dispenser slowly dispenses the contents into the bowl, ensuring that your pet always has access to fresh water or food. This is especially convenient for pet owners who need to leave their homes for vacation, work, or parties, as they can be assured that their pets won't go hungry. Cleaning the automatic water dispenser is a breeze thanks to its split design. Each part of the dispenser can be easily disassembled, making it easy to clean every corner. Please note that this dispenser is designed for hand washing only. In summary, the 2-pack automatic cat feeder and water dispenser with stainless steel dog bowl gravity self-feeding offers convenience, durability, and peace of mind for pet owners. With its large capacity and upgraded features, it ensures that your pets are well fed and hydrated even when you're not around. Product information. Product type: 2-pack automatic cat feeder and water dispenser. Color: black. Capacity: approximately 6 pounds of food and 1 gallon of water. Dimensions: 3.54*11.8*13 inch. Material: safe and natural materials for the water dispenser, stainless steel bowl for the feeder. Cleaning: hand wash only.